All right, hey, Mike and me, thanks for sending it down to me and Anthony Saracino. We are here with Tips and Tricks Wednesday. We're going to show you how to drill a couple holes in a reclaimed piece of wood for your floating shelf bracket. And when I say we, I mean Anthony, because I don't know how to do that. Anthony, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good. What do we got?
All right, so we got pretty simple tools. Nice sharp Forstner bit, little square, and just a big old eye hook.
Okay.
So you're probably wondering what the hell we're going to use this for. It's a pretty age-old trick, but pretty simple. This will tell you if the drill is level. We're going to just drop that on the drill bit. Once we start drilling, it'll start to move. We want to keep that centered on the drill bit at all times. So
I think I played a carnival game like this once. Anyway.
In conjunction with the eye hook and the little square, we're going to know whether we're level and also square to the workpiece. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So we just get to it and show you how it works.
I'm excited to see it.
So again, we got everything all marked out on the back side.
All right, got some pencil marks there.
Yeah, we got the pencil mark there. So we'll center the eye hook. We'll just kind of give a little demonstration here without putting too much pressure. If we tilt it forward, that eye hook's going to want to...
So you're going at a down angle now.
Exactly. So if you go tilt it back too far, it's going to work its way back towards the chuck of the drill. So long and short, we want to keep it centered, try not to have it moving too much. So as long as it stays in a pretty steady spot, you know you're level.
That is very cool.
All right, so the other little trick we got here, just a little square. We'll just hold that next to the drill bit just as a visual reference. Make sure that, you know, both the square and the actual bit are parallel. So if that's parallel, you're square to the workpiece. So a lot of people don't have a drill press able to, you know, take a piece this large and also have, you know, be able to have the stroke to drill it deep enough for the floating shelf bracket. So,
okay.
You know, this is, a lot of people can do this at home, simple tools, nothing over the top.
Oh yeah, I could do this.
You could.
We're working for dummies.
I would hope.
You would think.
You would think. So that's pretty much it. Keep it square, keep the eyelet centered. So going that route, you got a recipe for success. Make sure everything's all plumb, square, level, the whole 9 yards.
That is beautiful.
So, pretty simple.
Very cool.
You want to give it a try?
I would love to give it a try. All right. This is to prove that even you can drill a hole in a piece of reclaimed wood for your floating shelf bracket. Anywhere?
Anyway, go towards this end here.
Okay.
So center, we want to center the eyelet.
Press this button?
Yep. Don't hurt yourself. You got to put a little pressure behind it.
Whoa.
So you see how that'll want to move forward and back if, you know, if you're out of whack a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like a man today.
That's it. So I mean, it's pretty, you know, just the slightest difference in angle, I don't want to move a bit.
That is very cool. I don't know about you, but I'm going to go home and try that tonight. I'm going to steal a piece of reclaimed wood from here, and
just
possibly,
take it out of your commission check.
Possibly Anthony's drill, at least a drill bit, and yeah, I might have some floating shelves in my home tonight. Maybe you guys will do the same. We're going to take it back to me and Mike, camera boy extraordinaire, Anthony, woodworker extraordinaire, me, host of the morning mill. Thank you guys. We'll see you in a minute.
Forgot salesman extraordinaire.
Salesman extraordinaire. Peace.